In this video, we are going to see Delta Controls RED5-EDGE-V440 VAV controller with an integrated actuator device overview, key features, and detailed technical specifications. Welcome to Inside Control System YouTube channel. Device overview. The Red5-EDGE-V440 is a fully integrated, programmable, IoT-based VAV controller that communicates using BACnet IP, BACnet over Ethernet, or BACnet SC. It is a native BACnet controller that supports an Ethernet daisy chain with bypass technology, with additional support for Red5 bus expansion. A direct mount housing integrated controller is a compact, all-in-one controller designed to be mounted directly onto HVAC equipment such as air handling units, VAV boxes, fan coil units, or dampers. Specifically designed for VAV applications, the Red5-EDGE-V440 includes an actuator and differential pressure sensor with an integrated housing. Material data. Processor is 32-bit dual-core ARM Cortex-A7 processor, random access memory size is 256 MB, flash memory storage size is 4 GB, graphical control language plus program size is 24.4 KB, storage capacity of database space is 20 MB, integrated belly mo actuator with analog positioning control, motor torque is 5 Nm. Connectors. This device uses removable screw-type terminal connectors for wiring connections. Device addressing, used for communication on a network like BACnet, Modbus, or another protocol, is assigned via software rather than through physical dip switches or jumpers. Weight, 427 grams excluding anti-rotation bracket. Dimensions, length 158 mm. Width 88 mm, depth 68 mm. Proviso app. Using the Proviso app, you can adjust network settings to streamline the connection and configuration process. Download the app from Google Play or the App Store. Order the Red5-EDGE-V440 application controller according to the following product number. Functional data. This is status LED. A status LED is a small indicator light on a device that provides visual feedback on the device's scan status, operation, and faults. This is damper shaft adapter. A damper shaft adapter is a mechanical component that allows an actuator to properly fit onto a damper shaft when there is a size or shape mismatch. This is Ethernet port 1. This is Ethernet port 2. This is NFC port. The near-field communication is a short-range wireless communication technology that allows devices to exchange data when they are close together, typically within 4 cm. This is USB-C port. Possible uses of the USB port is firmware updates, configuration, data logging, data export, communication and peripheral support. This is external inputs. This is external outputs. This is flow sensor port. The flow sensor requires tubing with an inside diameter of 4 mm for proper operation. This is actuator clutch button. The actuator clutch button helps for manually override the actuators. It disengages the actuator motor temporarily, allowing the damper or valve to be manually adjusted. This is power supply port. This is net 1 port. This is net 3 port. Electrical data. The device supports both 24-volt AC and DC power supply. Frequency is 50 or 60 Hz. Power consumption. Under normal operation, it uses much less power, 14 volt-amperes for AC and 5 watts for DC, in maximum, 64 volt-amperes for AC and 62 watts for DC. Inputs and outputs. External inputs. It has 4 universal inputs and supports different types of sensor signals. External outputs. It has 4 universal outputs and supports different types of sensor signals. External inputs and outputs are selectable via software. Internal inputs. One input is for the actuator position feedback standard. This input monitors the real-time position of the actuator, ensuring that the damper or valve is moving correctly. Another input is for airflow and differential pressure. This input is used for measuring airflow using a differential pressure sensor. Communication data. BACnet device profile is BACnet building controller. A BACnet building controller is a high-level BACnet device designed for managing and automating HVAC, lighting, and building systems. Dual Ethernet ports that support failover bypass, along with multiple BACnet communication protocols, BACnet CYP, BACnet over Ethernet, BACnet SC, Net1, RS485, LinkNet, speed, up to 76,800 bits per second, supports up to 12 LinkNet devices, maximum of 4 DFM4 series devices. LinkNet devices total with no more than 4 DFM4 series devices. BACnet MAS-TP supports a maximum of 4 devices, only one port, speed, up to 76,800 bits per second. Modbus RTU supports a maximum of 5 devices. Net3, Red5 bus, supports up to 4 remote I/O modules. Requires a Red5 Expand 04 expansion module, supports up to 2 O3 hubs. Other data, wiring classes: National Electrical Code Class 2 and Safety Extra Low Voltage. CE marking indicates that a product complies with European Union regulations related to safety, health and environmental protection. FCC compliance indicates that a product meets the electromagnetic interference and radio frequency regulations set by the Federal Communications Commission in the United States. UL 916 listed refers to compliance with UL 916, Standard for Energy Management Equipment, a safety standard developed by Underwriters Laboratories. Ambient temperature is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Ambient humidity is 10 to 90% RH, non-condensing. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day. For more videos, subscribe our channel.